Morning all, another beautiful morning here in Hampton Court. It's Kevin Waters here, the Nudge Coach. A number of people ask me about coaching. What is coaching? Isn't it just like counselling? Just give you a little simple explanation really. Counselling is very, very useful for people who feel they've got issues they can't overcome in the past. And counselling very much looks back to our past, where we can safely talk about some concerns we may have. Well, coaching is slightly different from that. It's an about face. Coaching is about the future. It's about finding clarity with a coach, somebody you can trust in a safe environment, and you can then find that clarity about where you are today, and then discuss how you can reach your goals and wishes, improve your life, improve your health, improve different parts of whatever you want to do. So it's really a forward-looking session, and we don't really dwell too much on the past, although there might be blocks and obstacles that we can talk about. But if the coaching becomes more about the blocks and obstacles than about our future requirements and needs, it may be that coaching wouldn't be the right thing for you. Anyway, it's a quick note there from me, Kevin Waters, and I'd just like to say to you, have a great day today. We all need a little nudge in life. We all need a little luck in life. So I hope today is your lucky day.